Hi everyone, this is Alex from Melco. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sew a patch design on a hat, giving you that nice patch look without all the extra work. Let's take a quick look at our design. So for the background, I've just got a very simple fill stitch here. I used my complex fill tool with the rounded corner rectangle input method, just so I could drag out that shape and get those nice rounded corners. You'll notice underneath that, I've got a little grid of walk stitches. I just put this in manually using my walk stitch tool. I find on thicker 6-panel structured hats, it's super easy to break needles down that seam. So tacking down that fabric first before you sew anything else can soften that area up a little bit and just make the rest of the design sew a little cleaner. So next, we've got our lettering. Of course, with the hat, we want to start from the bottom up. So center out. So I'm starting with my bottom text here. This is just a microblock font. Then for our larger text, I've got my chain stitch script alphabet. I skewed it a little bit using my rotation handles here on the side just to give it a nice angle. And lastly, we've got our border. This is just a decorative walk stitch using our faux patch border style. This will give us that patch look that we're going after. Next, load your design onto the Melco Summit. We're going to flip it 180 degrees. Next, we'll change our colors. Next, load and center your hat. Make sure your presser foot is set to the proper height, and trace your design to make sure it's within your hoop limits. Now we're ready to sew. And here's the final product. An easy way to get the patch look without all the extra effort.